Bamboo is a continuous integration and delivery tool that ties automated builds, tests, and releases together in a single workflow. It works great alongside Jira and Stash, providing a fully traceable deployment pipeline. From any Jira issue, you can look at which builds are associated to a Jira issue and get a quick status with the little check mark showing that you have 2 builds that have been successfully executed on Bamboo. If you need the information on the builds, you can see here in the Bamboo branches that have been created to run tests against. You can click on here and get the information here and the test that passed and how long it took. And if you needed more information, you can quickly go into Bamboo and see what was executed for the given build. We can see here that we've had 6 builds, 100% successful, and their average duration when running the builds with the tests. If we wanted more information as to branches that were associated to a given fix, any recent failures that may have happened, any tests, or any Jira issues that may have been opened and linked to certain builds, you can see them here. Bamboo also allows you to look at the deployment statuses into various environments. And here we see that we've had builds deployed from the master branch into both QA and into production. If you need more details on what happened in a given build, you can see in the detailed screen the build results summary, showing you if there were any new failures, existing failures, quarantined or skipped builds. And we can see here that it's been deployed to QA with success and not made it to production yet, this build. Bamboo also allows you to track your tests by different types of tests, your functional tests and integrated tests. So you can then run builds in multiple types of tests and in multiple environments in parallel. So you don't have to wait to run one set of builds before starting on another. Bamboo provides you the ability to develop build by pipelines, both for unit testing, integration testing, QA, and production. This allows you to run tests simultaneously in multiple environments and to get results back to your developers as early as possible. If an issue does come up from a given build, the link to it, you can easily type it in and save it, and it'll get linked. If you want to see previous history on builds, you can easily click along the top here, successful builds and unsuccessful builds. If you wanted to execute and run a certain build, just click on the little play button, and that build is then, tests are being executed against that build for that plan. Lots of organizations have hundreds of builds running, and Bamboo does provide an easy way to filter. You can set up your favorite plans that you want to see, so that when you come to your Bamboo dashboard, you will only get the information that is important to you.